Hi students, welcome to the YouTube Easy Learning YouTube channel. So today is the fifth session of the Learn Biology along with the English grammar practice. So actually this is the video for 10th class students who are going to write the SSC board exams. These are the all of the questions series from the biology and physics, and also simultaneously it is very useful for the TET and DSC SI constable aspirants. Why? Because I am practicing each and every grammar part very neatly and clearly with one-to-one explanation. It means it makes a very thorough practice, and also these are the questions which are in the applicable manner, which are compulsory going to ask in the board exam. So better to take pen or paper to note down before watching the video. It's my humble request. Okay, simply watching it makes you time pass, but nothing learn. You have to be just focus. So my name is Vamshi. I am geology faculty and school biology faculty. So let's start the session. What happens if the concentration of CO2 increasing in atmosphere? It is a 2 mark question. So it is a question that what happens if the concentration of CO2 increased in atmosphere. What he asking means, he asking that what happens if the concentration of CO2 in atmosphere. So there is a one ratio. There is a one ratio. It should be followed in the photosynthesis. But if the extent of the ratio of concentration in the photosynthesis, so what are the factors needed for the photosynthesis? Water, sunlight, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide. These are the main factors. So before to go into the answer, we have to understand the question first. Question gives the 50% answer. Yes, as per my experiments, it is fact. It is a true. There is answer in the question 50%. But most of the aspirants or students, they cannot focus on the questions. They focus only on the answers. It is a basic mistake. So what is the concentration word it is? So in this all the question, the key word is concentration. So we have to understand the concentration first. What is the concentration means? Here I am given 1 glass of water with 1 cup of sugar. It gives very tasty. In the 1 glass of water, 1 spoon of sugar. It gives less tasty, less sweet. It is a amount of sweet. We need amount of sweet here. It gives more sweet. It gives less sweet. It means it is a concentrated. It is a concentrated. It is a concept given in the 9th class physics. Dilute and concentrate. So actually it is in the chemistry topic, but in the 9th class there is no chemistry. Physics and chemistry given in the same book. So we can understand clearly now what is the concentration. So there is an answer. There is a answer in the simple mind mapping. So when concentration means dark dots, when the concentration grows, when increases, automatically the rate of photosynthesis increases. But it is not a way of writing answer in the board exam. It is for the board exam. We have to learn the answer along with the English grammar. So when you go learning about the physics and biology, you have to understand the concept very clearly. Then you can elaborate the answer. That is the main key point. So here is a question clear now. 1 glass of water along with the 1 cup of sugar, it gives more taste, more sweet. 1 glass of water with 1 spoon of sugar, light sweet, means it is dilute, it is a concentrated. So here is the concentration of CO2, means carbon dioxide. So automatically the rate of photosynthesis increases. But in the exam manner, they cannot ask the same question in the repeated exams, but they will change mode of questions with the same meaning. So let's check out the questions. What is the relationship between concentration of CO2 and photosynthesis. The two questions are same meaning, but there is a application model. It means there is a directly proportional. It is a directly proportional of the rate of concentration of CO2 and photosynthesis. CO2 and photosynthesis means when rate of concentration increases, it increases. Now third question: is there any change in photosynthesis by increasing the concentration of CO2 in atmosphere? Of course, there is CO2 from the atmosphere only. So we need not to think about this extra word which is given in the question. We have to focus only on the CO2, photosynthesis and concentration. These are the key words. I think this question is very clear now. So you got the idea. Actually, you got the answer also. It is 50% clear with the question only. So before going to learn any subject, you have to understand the question first. It's my humble request. Now let's check the answer. First, the rate of photosynthesis increases as the concentration of CO2 increases in the air. So it's clear now. So when the concentration of the carbon dioxide increases, the rate of photosynthesis increases. Now you got again new word. I am making you word to word clear. Rate means what? As a time per work. Rate means time per work. Time per work. Yes. If it is a less carbon dioxide concentration means some grams of starch will be end product. We have to count by end product. Starch will be end product. So if it is a more concentrated means there is a more end product. So now second point, gradually the rate of photosynthesis falls and at a certain CO2 concentration the rate of photosynthesis stays constant. What it telling means the second point needs this graph. So when there is a high in the concentration of the CO2 concentration, the photosynthesis also in the high, but when it is a certain level, it is balanced in the same level. So we have to understand very clearly, very thoroughly. If you are reading 10 times or 100 times without understanding, it makes you by heart. But if you are reading 2 or 3 times by understanding way, it will makes you very clear in all concepts. It will makes you good memory. So again I am requesting you, please do learn by understanding way, not by hearting way. So now clear. What is the first answer? First point, the rate of photosynthesis increases as the concentration of CO2 increases in the air. So when the CO2 concentration increases in the air, there is a growth in the rate of photosynthesis. Gradually means once it comes in the constant point, means gradually comes in the constant point, certain point, it's go in the balanced regular way. It is in the regular photosynthesis rate. Now clear. But it is a third part given. So it is here a rise in the CO2 levels, not in the concentration levels, means amount of carbon dioxide available in the atmosphere. No effect on the rate of photosynthesis as the factors such as light intensity become limited. So it means what he is telling that it depends on the concentration of the CO2 but not in the amount of the carbon dioxide. It means 2 liters, 3 liters, 4 liters, 5 liters. Yes, example that when we are using more vehicles, it never gives more starch. So it is a one misguiding answer that yes, thinks that when we used more vehicles or more factories, it gives the best product in the starch. It's utterly wrong. That's why he given the point. Actually it is the answer, but he given the point that it is a misleading concept. Yes. So here is not the matter of amount of carbon dioxide, but it is the matter of concentration of the CO2. Means we have to decrease the use of the vehicles. We have to use the eco-friendly vehicles, electric bikes, scooters. That is, it's the importance of giving this point. So these two are given the answer, but it is a one extra point. But we have to write these 3 points to get the good marks. Why? Because our SSC board exam is CC pattern, so should not get the same answer from two members. So I am going to clear in within 1 minute again. So what is concentration means? The sweetness in the sugar solution. If it is a high, it is a concentrated. If it is a low, it is a dilute. Okay, there is a big definition, but I don't want to misguide from this answer. It can divert your answer by its definition of dilute and concentration. Okay, I will do separate video. If anyone wanted, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, now it is the answer clear. So as per our Easy Learning YouTube channel, what is my YouTube channel name? Easy Learning. It means I have to make everything is easy. So that is my first work. I am going to do easy everything. So here is a concept of biology, but I taught in an easy way without any textbook or any guide. If you follow my YouTube channel, you will definitely pass in the science, means physics and bio. I am going to do daily 2 questions, but 365 days. It gives you big number. So I will cover all the questions very clearly, very easily. So you will get definitely pass in the science exam with my YouTube channel. Okay, that is second topic. But now come to the as per our English grammar practice. So first of all, we are going to learn today from the biology answer tense, preposition, conjunction. So we have 3 tenses, 3 prepositions, 1 conjunction. It is enough. Okay, now what is it? Is the first sentence from the answer. The rate of photosynthesis is a subject. It is a subject. The rate of photosynthesis. Don't think that Sita comes to school daily. It is a subject. In this sentence, Sita is a subject. It is only the simple word. But we are taking now the phrases. We are now taking the phrases. So it is comes under the phrase. The rate of photosynthesis is a phrase. So I will make a separate video for the phrases, because it is a again some big topic. It makes you divert. So which are very easy or which has comes to in the SSC board exam as well as in the 10 DSC. So both aspirants can watch my video. It's better to help you. Now the rate of photosynthesis is a subject. It is in the third person singular, and increase V1 increases and as the concentration of CO2. So again same meaning, same question. The rate of photosynthesis increases when concentration of CO2 increases. Again same answer, but it is in the grammar form. It is the first condition of the simple present tense. We should not, or we could not, and we never. If any condition we never follow the structure of the tenses. But most of the old classic teaching methods, that everyone teaches all the chart of the tenses structure, and they will tell some simple examples. Sita comes to school daily. It is a simple present tense. Sun rises in the east. It is a universal truth example. It's over. It is the old classic method, and it never comes in the exam. It is not useful for any exam. Just for formality. Yes, I have taught the grammar. I have taught the tenses. But I am going to make you the perfect with the English grammar. So it is comes under the science theories. Now you will get all the science theories in the simple present tense. As per my last video and my further videos, you will check. It is guaranteed. All the science answers mostly get the simple present tense. So it is its identity should be right. It's the rule. Now the concentration of CO2 increases in the air the concentration of CO2, it is a subject, increases, V1 plus S, object, increases. Here we have to simply we have to make the coding. It is a creative. We should not by heart the sentence, we should not by heart the structures, we have to identify with some hints, right? The concentration of CO2, it is a subject, again third person singular, V1 plus S, object, again it is a simple present tense. The rate of photosynthesis, again it is a third person singular, falls at a certain concentration. It means it goes high when it is a high concentration. It comes in the normal or regular manner of rate of photosynthesis when it is a normal concentration. So it is answer clear, very simple answer. Of course it is a 2 mark question, but we have to understand. Here is a concept of understanding science and matter of learning English grammar in the most easiest way. You can search in the whole YouTube, you never get such video who teach as well as science along with the English grammar, such a explaining manner. Okay, now let's check the prepositions. The rate of photosynthesis increases. Now it is from the answer, the rate of photosynthesis increases. Yes, when there is a concentration of CO2. Now we have to understand only sentence first. Okay, the rate photosynthesis increases. Is there any meaning? No meaning. Again I am repeating you, it is a word. Is there any word which makes the complete meaning by its position? That is a preposition. So here is the some word, it is making meaningless when I remove this word. When I am adding this word, the rate of photosynthesis increases. So it is a preposition, no doubt, not at all. So if you are keep watch my videos regularly, you will definitely get easy grammar and science. Concentration of CO2 increases in the air. So again there is a 2 prepositions. Concentration CO2 means there is no meaning. Concentration of CO2 increases in the air. Here giving some information and it's giving complete meaning by its single word. That is a preposition. So now there are 3 prepositions at a single sentence. Here a rise in CO2, rise in. Here a rise CO2 means there is no meaning. Again it is as usually it is a preposition. Has no effect on the rate of photosynthesis. So has no effect the rate of photosynthesis means there is no meaning. Again on is a preposition. Rate of photosynthesis means again no meaning. Rate of photosynthesis. I am again repeating you, preposition is very important, and you can see this answer in a single answer you are getting more prepositions. Means prepositions are plays very key role in understanding and also in writing. So that's why I started with the preposition only. So you better to keep practice daily. Now let's start with the conjunctions. In the answer it may becomes once or twice or thrice, rarely. So it's not important, but you have to learn all the parts of speech, all the tense, all the grammar for examinations. Gradually means step by step. Gradually it means it's a gradual meaning of this word. It is a video for all kinds of students, who are poor students, who are clever students, everyone. You can watch this. That's why I am teaching you from the basics to high level. Nobody can focus on such words. They will simply by heart the answer. That's why. But it's not a good learning. Actually, it's not a learning. We have to go by the gradual, step by step in the subject or in a grammar. It gives you good knowledge or good result also. So the rate of photosynthesis falls, and at a certain CO2 concentration, the rate of photosynthesis stays constant. So here is a 2 sentences. Gradually a rate of photosynthesis falls. Yes, step by step the rate of photosynthesis falls. It is a one sentence. Leave this word. At a certain CO2 concentration, the rate of photosynthesis stay constant. Okay, it is some spelling mistake. But what it is that, yes, at the constant level of concentration, it goes in normal. It goes in normal as usually. So it is a word. It is one word which is connecting two sentences. If there is no and, it is a first sentence, it is a second sentence, it is other sentence, it is another one sentence. There is no interlink. There is no interlink. It's so conjunction is a, it is junction point. It is a junction point. Which is junction point connecting the two roads or four roads. So it is a junction point of two sentence. It giving the single meaning. It gives the single meaning by the equal rank. It is a equal rank. So that is the conjunction which can connect the two sentences or two words of equal rank. Equal rank. As per my old videos, just basic. Sita and Geeta, both are equal rank. Sita important, Geeta also important. So it's now finished. So I am requesting you, watch twice and thrice. This gives you better result. First time you have to watch slow and steady, noting the point. But in the thrice and twice, you have to just listen my audio. You will get make a repeat. So this is a video for 10th class students. Actually, I am running the institute of the pre-10th batch. Means just like coaching center for the 10th class students. So I am teaching in the class daily, and it is further learning the question answers. And also for the TET and DSC students or essay constable aspirants. It is useful. Definitely it is very useful. And I will, after the 10th class, I am going to start the 9th class science book. If you can show the cooperation to me, if I got the more subscriptions, if anyone needed, mention in the comment section. I will make it video. Okay, thank you.